Hi and welcome to my channel, No Chefs here. I've been planning on doing beef tomato stir fry for a while. Well, today it's exactly what I'm doing. It's going to be pretty easy, very quick. I hope you enjoy it. So here's everything I've got. A 0.75 pounds of meat, steak. Got 2 green onions, I'm gonna mostly use this for garnish. 2 tomatoes, garlic, onion. Everything is in description box below, so don't worry. Super easy for seasoning. I have this chili black bean paste or sauce. You can take a screenshot if you would like. Black pepper paste. Shao Xing cooking wine. Starting with the meat, I'm going to delete all this fat. Not needed in this case. And then inspect to see where the grains are running. They are going this way, so we can thinly cut against the grain. Something like this. So let's just transfer it here into a bowl. Here we go. I'm just gonna wash everything, be back. Marinating the meat, Shao Xing cooking wine. Each one of these caps is about 3/4 of a tablespoon. Again, everything is listed in description box below. Cornstarch. And we'll mix. Finally, just a touch of all-purpose cooking oil. And now we can set this aside to let it marinate and come up to room temperature. I'm gonna start with an onion. Now just separate them into separate pieces, like that. Next is garlic, and as you can see, most of it is already peeled. That's just happened somehow when I was removing it. Somehow the paper just kind of flaked away. And now just chop it. Now you can just come over and do this kind of number. There you go. These onions, like I mentioned, it's mostly for garnish, so just I think I'm gonna keep them actually long today. Like this, okay? These beautiful tomatoes. Get yourself a bowl so that when you cut, you can collect the juice as well. It's very important. So tomatoes have like a high and low spot. If you cut in low spots, you'll lose less juice. See, this low spot has like a more protection. Time to cook. Gotta wok here on a high heat. No flavor cooking oil going in. When you stick a chopstick in here and you see some bubbles forming, you're pretty much ready. Separate the meat as much as you can and kind of let it sit on one side for a little bit. After a minute or two, it starts to basically turn kind of white. Let's give it a flip. That's a nice color. Meat is no longer pink anywhere. Got beautiful color development here. Check that out. Done. I'm just going to take it out and put on paper towels. Alright, set that aside, let it drain. Now give this wok a slight clean. A tablespoon or so. No flavor oil. High heat. The oil looks ready. White onion or yellow onion going in. Onions are smelling great. I like them to be on a little bit of a crunchy side. Tomatoes. I'm gonna give them a pinch of salt just to start getting the juice process developed. So in just a little bit of time, the tomatoes are softened just a little bit. The skin is kind of, starting to wrinkle. Beautiful. Garlic. The meat goes back in. Black pepper paste. Chili bean paste. This, my friends, smells absolutely fantastic. Give this a quick try. It's perfect. I'm gonna take some of this green onion, give it a toss through, and that is done. Well, there you go. It looks great. Smells terrific. I'm using a spoon today to try this out. Perfect bite with everything on it. Here we go. Just a little hint of sourness, slightly spicy. The fermented bean chili paste is fantastic. Got great peppery aroma from that pepper paste I used. Overall, so easy, so delicious. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching till the end. And until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.